Hey there, adventurers! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going on an epic journey to a beautiful lake house where we'll explore, laugh, and make unforgettable memories. Join us as we share our exciting experiences with you.
We've finally arrived at the stunning lake house. As you can see, it's surrounded by lush greenery and offers breathtaking views of the lake.
Let's take a tour of this amazing place. From the cozy living room to the spacious kitchen, every corner is filled with charm and character.
Now it's time to get wet and wild. We're going to explore the lake and have some fun in the sun. Whoops! I guess I need to work on my acrobatic skills. Tonight we're going to showcase our unique skills and talents. From singing to storytelling, we're going to entertain each other and have a blast. There's something special about gathering around a campfire, sharing stories, and making memories with friends.
But our adventure isn't without its challenges. A sudden storm is heading our way, and we need to work together to keep everything safe and sound.
And we did it. We worked together and saved the day. That's what adventure is all about, facing challenges and overcoming them together. Thanks for joining us on this epic adventure. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. Until next time, stay adventurous and keep exploring.